Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create your own email template on HubSpot, so let's get right into it. Now, email templates which you can create are sort of locked behind a premium plan. However, there is a free method which I will be showing you right now, which is a bit different, but it will serve you well as in the same vein. Now, to create a template, in the traditional sense, you need to go into your emails tab, which I am at right now. Go under marketing, click on email, and then click on create email in the top right. Select whichever sort of email you would like, click next. And then once you're in the template screen in the top right, you will see the create new template button. Just click on that. And once you do, you'll be able to create a template just like you would see here, and once it's created, you'll be able to select it every new time you're creating an email. Now, to create one for free in sort of a not exact sense, I guess you could call it, you can choose whichever template you want and start from there, or you can just choose it from scratch. So I'll just go from scratch. And once you're here, you just need to add all the content you want. Just manage it however you would want or need, just like so. Let me add a few more lines of text, maybe a divider, and for example, socials. So let's say this is the template that I want. Now, once you're done with this, you can edit anything else you might want, the settings, the send schedule, if you need to, and then just change the name of the email. So for example, if I name it template 2, once you name it, click save, then click exit. And once you exit, you'll find it in your list. And now every time you want to make an email with this template, just click clone and clone this template, and then make an email from there. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.